Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. We are going to be doing a skin install today on my OnePlus 10 Pro. Huge shout out Sopiguard. They sent me over a skin to apply, to beautify, to sexify, and to add a little more extra boldness to what we already got going on here with the OnePlus 10 Pro. So what we're going to do is unpack the contents that's in this beautiful black envelope with the Sopiguard logo in gold. Very nice packaging there. And then we're going to do the install. Going to speed up the video a little bit, add some music for your entertainment. And yes, we are going to be using a blow dryer. My wife got me this blow dryer for Christmas, so I wouldn't continue to use hers. She was kind enough to let me use hers for a few years now, but I got my own. What you want to remember when using a blow dryer is to constantly move it around. That way the heat is not setting in one area because you could damage your smartphone. So you'll see during the install that I'll be moving the blow dryer around, applying some high heat, but never leaving it in one spot. Okay, that's a very crucial part to a skin install on any smartphone, no matter where you're bringing that skin in from. But now that I got that out of the way, let's check out what we have in the envelope here. Thank you for your purchase. Please visit Sopiguard.com for installation guide. I did not purchase this skin. Sopiguard again was kind enough to send this over for review. So we'll put that right there. Got a Sopiguard microcloth. I got many of these. And we have our sterile alcohol prep pad there. On my left, we have the frozen metallic red. And on my right, we have the matte white skin. Both skins going to cost you $9.99. Not a lot of money to pay to add a little extra some to your OnePlus 10 Pro. Yeah, we're going to spice it up a bit here. And totally digging both of these skins. So, using just one skin is cool, but when you can mix it up a little bit, that's even better. Let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to wipe down my OnePlus 10 Pro that I have sitting on this little rubber mat pad here so my 10 Pro doesn't slide around too much. And enjoy the music. I'll be back. The reason I stopped the video was to let you know that the skin that I'm putting over the camera area, the white matte skin here, is very thin. Very thin. So go slow, enjoy the process, be patient, or you can accidentally stretch the skin, tear the skin, and then you're going to get upset and crumble it up in your hand and throw it on the ground, and then you're not going to have a camera skin for your smartphone. As far as the blow dryer here, I forgot to mention that the reason we're using the blow dryer, and remember, you want to move it around constantly, especially on the sides of the skin, because the sides of the skin are the hardest to adhere, to stick to the sides. And you're going to see me during that part of the process rubbing those areas down after I warm those areas up with the blow dryer. And that's what you're doing. You're allowing that adhesive to warm up so it will stick. It will adhere to your smartphone. So with that being said, let's continue. tell me, what do your eyeballs see? Tell you what my eyeballs see. It's one hot-looking smartphone. Sexy, bold, tough, beautiful. Man, when you pull this out of your pocket or your purse out in public, there are going to be some eyeballs looking your way. Yep, you might even get a few of those. And to make sure you can see that skin and yet protect your investment, a clear case. I will leave a link for this case down below in the description area. Yeah, that looks nice. The other thing a case does is it puts pressure on the skin. It helps the sticking process, the adhering to the back of your OnePlus 10 Pro that much better. And it just looks good. Just looks good. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. God bless you all. Till my next video. This is my Project 13. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.